Hello students, welcome to my tutorial class. Today in this class we are going to learn about time and calendar, chapter number 9. So we will start with time, okay? Now what is time? Time is an essential measurement for each and everybody in their daily life. A day is the time taken by our Mother Earth to revolve around itself once. That is, one day equal to 24 hours. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Thus, we can say that time is measured in seconds, minutes and hours. We use the instrument clock to know the time. Look at the clock. Now, generally we find 12 hours. You can see this. Generally we find 12 hours marked on the clock. That is, we say that time before noon of the day as AM. For example, AM denotes as 5 AM, 7:30 AM and so on. In the same way, time after noon is called as PM. For example, 5 PM denotes 5 o'clock in the evening. The clock has two hands. One is small hand, another is long hand. The short hand in the clock is called hour hand and the long hand is called the minute hand. Now we will see how to use AM and PM. The time shown in the clock is 5:15, okay? But we do not know whether we are talking about 5:15 in the morning or 5:15 in the evening. A day has 24 hours, so in a 12-hour clock, the hour hand goes around the clock 2 times and so similar timing, twice a day. To differentiate, the letters AM are used to show the time before noon and the letter PM are used to show the time from noon to midnight. Now, AM is the short form for a Latin word ante-meridian, that means before noon or midday, and PM is the short form of Latin word called post-meridian, that means after noon or midday. AM stands for the time from 12 midnight to 12 noon. PM stands for the time from 12 noon to 12 midnight. Now we will see calendar. Okay, now we will see one example. Mr. Sharma starts his morning walk daily at 5:40 AM. He completes it at 6:25 AM. How many minutes does he walk every day? Here's the solution. He starts with 5:40 AM and he completed in 6:25 AM. Now how we will see the duration? Okay. Now from 5:40 AM to 6 AM, it is 20 minutes duration. Okay. Now from 6 AM to 6:25 AM, it takes 25 minutes. So what we will do? We will calculate it. Therefore, the duration of morning walk is 20 minutes 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 25 minutes. Okay. Now 20 minutes plus 25 minutes, what we will get? 45 minutes. That means the duration of the morning walk is
45 minutes.
okay. Now we will learn about calendar. Now what is calendar? A calendar is a record of the 365 days of the year. 1 year has 12 months. A day is the time that the earth takes to make one complete rotation on its axis. 1 day is the standard unit of time. 1 year is equivalent to 365 days and 7 days make 1 week. Now, starting from the first day of the week, the name of different days of the weeks are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. This cycle of days is repeated again and again. Now, there are 12 months in a year. There are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So, after this we will see the number of days various months are as. Number of the days, January has 31 days, February 28 or 29, March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August again 31, September 30, October 31, November 30 and December 31. So, as we have seen here, 30 days has September, April, June and November. All the rest has 31, expecting February alone which has 28 or 29 days. 29 days in each leap year. There are 365 days in a year. 1 year in 4 has an extra days. A year with 366 days is called a leap year. Every 4th year is a leap year. The extra day is added to February, which has 29 days. Now we will see examples. Ayush's grandmother went to USA for vacation from 4 June 2010 to 26 August 2010. How long was her vacation? So, here is the example. Days in June was 27 including 4th June. Days in July equal to 31. Days in August equal to 26 including 26 August. Therefore, total number of days is 27 plus 31 plus 26. That is 84. Thus, we can say that her vacation was 84 days long. So, dear students, I hope time and calendar chapter is clear for you all. That's all for today. Thank you.